Alright everyone, now time for the speed test of the racing.
It's called the G172.
The racing speed racing car. Well, otherwise known as the, oh my gosh, the G172 car, the lime green version. And we've got the whole fam out here today. And we're gonna see how fast she goes.
Let's go for nice.
Oh, it flipped over. There he is controlling it.
On the ramp.
Alright, here she comes. She's gonna go on the ramp, boys. Woohoo! Oh, what a jump there! We got it on camera too. Whoa. Oh, and it's flopping over. So as you can see here, folks, it goes pretty darn fast. Oh my, it's pretty reckless too. That premium plastic build is gonna keep it surviving thousands of these jumps. Oh gosh. Alright, now time for the race between me and the car.
Yeah, right.
The average human and 22 miles an hour. If I want to beat this car, I have to run faster than Usain Bolt. Alright, here we go, folks.
You can run it like 24.
What?
I thought he could run it like 24.
Oh, maybe. Okay, well, I'd have to run as fast as Usain Bolt to beat this fella. Alright, stop her. We're going to line her up nice and even. Ow, stop! Jacob, stop.
You gotta catch it first.
The video's still rolling. What the heck?
Alright.
Okay. Okay, here we go. So, put it right there.
What are you? We're racing to the. We were doing a drag.
No, we're just like racing straight toward. Yeah, straight towards the.
Okay.
Straight towards that driveway. Here we go, folks. I'm gonna take off my shoes for maximum speed. Ready, set, go!
Oh!
I win, and I wasn't even at max speed. All right, here goes max. Here's max speed.
Whoa.
And as you can clearly see, they don't call it the racing speed racing car for nothing. Because it's speed. It has got the speed. Oh, there's Isaac. Say hi to the haters, Isaac. Oh my goodness. He's just investigating. He's kind of scared of it because, you know, before it was kind of hurting him, harassing him. But that's basically the speed, the racing, speed racing car G17, otherwise known as the G172 racing car test. By the way, if you want one of these bad boys, they're about $55 on Amazon, so the link will be in the description below.
That's how much I got this one for.
Yeah, if you get the red variant, they could be like 70 or something. But
Yeah, there was the red one on Amazon, and the red one was 70.
But for this fire car, a pretty hefty, nice price.
What is the cardboard again?
Well, make sure you subscribe for more racing car videos from this man himself. And make sure you like, or like we said, Corona and quarantine will never end. And we'll see you in the next video, you bots. Racing, speed racing car!